Okay, we're gonna do some function operations, operations with functions, function composition. This happens to be, I believe, problem number 1 from the very first page of your semester exam review. So here's the deal. We have two functions. We got g of x and we got f of x. And what we really want to do is find g over f. So what we're doing is we're really doing a division, and what it's going to look like is we're going to do g of 2 divided by f of 2, and all you're really going to do is take a 2 and plug it in pretty much everywhere you see an x for your two different functions. So in your numerator, it's going to be 2 cubed plus 3 times 2, and in your denominator, it is going to be 3 times a 2 minus a 4. Right? And guys, please remember your order of operations. And please, if you're going straight to the calculator for this, that's fine. But oh, for Pete's sake, please put your numerator and your denominator in parentheses. There's no reason to get this wrong because you're punching things into the calculator incorrectly. If you're doing old school, like that whole mental math thing, which I know everybody does because we all stop and think, r2 cubed is an 8 plus a 3 times 2 is a 6. Then we got in the denominator a 6 minus a 4, so we got a 14 over a 2, or a 7.